फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल है साइंस ऑफ चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट। इसमें कोई क्यूज़ नहीं है, सारे असाइनमेंट और वीडियोज़ हैं इसके अंदर, वो ओपन करनी है। नेक्स्ट सेकंड मॉड्यूल है इंट्रोडक्शन टू एसएनसी ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी। इसका क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच लेवल ऑफ ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी involves recognizing or remembering facts, terms and basic concepts knowledge. Question number 2, in Bloom's taxonomy, which level involves demonstrating an understanding of facts and ideas by organizing, comparing and interpreting comprehension. Number 3, which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves using acquired knowledge to solve problems in new situations? Application. According to Bloom's taxonomy, which level involves examining information, identifying motives or causes, and finding evidence to support generalizations analysis? Number 5, in Bloom's taxonomy, which level involves presenting and defending opinions by making judgments about information evaluation? Next module number 3 है ECCE डेली रूटीन। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ द हाई स्कोप अप्रोच? एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेटरी लर्निंग। Number 2, which component is not a part of the high scope daily routine? Lecture sessions. Number 3, what does the plan do review sequence in high scope involves? Teacher plan their activities, carry them out and then discuss their learning. Number 4, what role do teachers play in the high scope approach? Facilitators and partners in learning. Number 5, which of the following is a key assessment element in the high scope approach? Observational records and child portfolios. Number 6, how does the high scope approach view the learning environment? As a flexible, carefully organized space. Number 7, how are parents involved in the high scope programs? They are partners in the educational process, sharing insights and participating in meetings. Number 8, which principle does high scope heavily emphasize for children development? Active learning through direct experiences. Module number 4 है inclusive education। इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज रिलीजियस इंक्लूसिविटी मीन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन? रिस्पेक्टिंग एवरीवन्स बिलीव्स एंड प्रैक्टिसेस irrespective of their religion. Number 2, what does the term celebration of diversity imply in the UNESCO context? Respecting and valuing all children equally, avoiding exclusion and stereotypes. Number 3, in the ECCE SNC, what is the significance of nurturing a sense of citizenship in community, country and the world? It encourages a sense of responsibility and belonging beyond individual boundaries. What is inclusive education? Participation of everyone, including those with disabilities, in mainstream educational settings. In the context of inclusive education, what does gender inclusivity entail? Ignoring gender differences in the learning environment. What does authenticity mean in the inclusive education? Creating an environment where students can be themselves without judgment. In the context of ECCE SNC, what is emphasized under the belief that learning is holistic, recognizing the interrelated nature of social, emotional, physical, cognitive, and moral development. Number 5, according to the ECCE SNC, what is the starting point in children's education? Recognizing the potential in all children based on favorable conditions. What is one of the objectives of ECCE SNC related to values, nurturing tolerance and respect for diversity? Last question है, according to the ECCE SNC, what is the role of the teacher in the children's education, understanding and practicing the importance of inclusive education?